All right, so I'm going to be showing you how to set up your term weighting, or how your gradebook is going to calculate the final grade based on the different quarters. This video is going to show for a rolling gradebook for a full school year class with no final exam. So I've logged into SIS. I'm going to hover over report card and click on term weighting to set up my term weighting for the school year. And then I have this long list of different quarters. I'm going to scroll down until I see final mark and check final mark. It's going to bump me back up, so I need to scroll back down to final mark. So right now I'm telling the gradebook, calculate final mark from, and it will add up what? So because it's a rolling gradebook, all of our assignments are going to be visible in the fourth quarter. So I'm going to check fourth quarter and put in 100%, since all of my assignments will be checked off in fourth quarter and visible there. Next, I'm going to check off below any of the other classes that this weighting should apply to. So any of my other full year-long classes with no final exam. And my last step in the top right-hand corner is to click Update. And I can tell it's correct because it now tells me here's how it's calculating it. My final mark is calculated from fourth quarter. The weight is 100%.